up guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing miracle knots. Yes, miracle knots again, but we are trying another curl pattern. So this hair is from Y Wigs, of course. They have the best hair for miracle knots, crochet hair, period. Like minimal shedding, it's full each strand, and the little thread that's on it, it holds up perfectly. So this is like, I guess it's like a French curl braid type look. It was really curly when I first installed it, but I did braid it down at night to like kind of stretch the curl out a little bit, and I love the results that it gave. I'm really excited to like straighten it and curl it like with a curling wand and do other things with it as well. But yeah, with that being said, let's jump right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me show you how to do this. I also want to say too, miracle knots is not a quick style. This, like doing it on myself, took me about 5 hours. The first video I did, I had my friend do it and she moved a lot quicker, but it took some time to do it on myself, but the results are so worth it. And then you also just save money doing it alone. All right guys, so jumping right into it, I do have my hair blow dried. This is the hair that I got from Y Wigs. I used 5 bundles. Yeah. I did this style a while ago. I am just getting to editing this video, so I kind of forgot how much bundles I used, but I'm just parting my hair off. I'm actually very happy too about my hair growth because I have transitioned from my relaxer and I can say that I am fully natural now and my hair is in such a better, healthier place. So I'm just going in and doing the plaits. I actually did them a little small. I think when I got to the middle, I did get lazy, so I went a little bigger, but I did them pretty small for the most part. But I'm just gonna let you guys see the visuals of this. Oh, wait, what am I saying? Feed in one piece of the hair to the end. It is way better than crocheting it in. It lasts a lot longer, like it's more secure. So that's the only tip I would give, but that's what I pretty much did. I'm just gonna let it cook and let you guys watch the process. Finally got one side done. I hope you guys were able to grasp that concept. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest. Boom, everything else is done in the front. Now let's go to me, the longest part of this, which is crocheting the pieces in. So you're gonna grab your crochet needle, stick it through the plot, pull it through. If you know how to do a regular crochet, it's the same method. You're just gonna do it on each individual braid. I believe I put about 4 to 5 pieces, or probably 4, yeah, including the base, because I did want it to almost look like a sew-in and not really showing that much of the braid. This is one I did regret though, not doing my plots a bit larger when they are small, especially if you have fine hair like I do. Meaning when my hair is braided down, it's pretty flat. I have a lot of strands, but the strands aren't thick. It is so difficult to get the needle through. So I would suggest, like, you could do your plots a little bit bigger. You honestly don't need to do them that small. It just makes it more difficult. And you're gonna see there might be some trial and error here with crocheting it. You can always just take it out and redo it again. But this is the process. It's very simple. It just requires a lot of patience, honestly. And this is how the style came out. I was absolutely obsessed. The only thing I would have said, well, actually looking at it now, the hair looked a lot darker, but I didn't dye it prior. I probably would have dyed it prior, but yeah, I will link this in the bio for you guys so you can get the hair. Y-Wigs honestly has the best crochet hair. Like, this looks really good. All right, see you guys next vid.